Hey guys, it's Ashlynn. Hey guys, it's Ashlynn. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a clothing try-on haul. I love doing these types of videos, and today me and my mom went to the mall and kind of went a little bit crazy, but I was in need of some new clothes because I've been finding myself wearing a lot of the same things recently, and a lot of my things just aren't really up to date and they're just kind of not cute. We got some things that are cute. I went to 5 different stores. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in order from like what store we went to and then show you what I got. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first place we went was Forever 21. I really like Forever 21 and their stuff is like pretty affordable depending on like what you get. Usually I can find something I like. I found quite a bit of good things today. I'm just gonna start pulling things out of the bag. I'm not really sure what order it's gonna be. So here's the first thing that I got. This is pretty basic, but it was kind of also like a last minute thing. But it's just this like gray cropped sweater thing. I don't really know. It came in like a couple different other colors, like this cute pink color and then a black color with white stripes. But yeah, I just got the gray one because I don't like have anything like this. I got this in a size medium because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized. It was 2 for $20, so I got another thing. And this one's just a bit different and it's in a cute like fall color. So yeah, it's just in like a brownish color, and I got this in a size medium as well. The next thing I was super excited to find because I didn't like expect to find something in the clearance section at Forever 21 this cute, but it's this like cropped shirt and I feel like it's really in trend right now. This was $5. And it's just like this cropped thing. It has this like cute stuff on the bottom. It has like blue stripes on the top and bottom of the stars, and I just think this is super cute and nice. I don't know, I could wear this to school, but I would have to put like something over it or something. Our school isn't really that strict on dress code, like pretty much at all, so I could definitely get by with it. I just don't know when I'd wear it because it's kind of getting colder now. The next thing I got, bear with me here, so I'm going to Mexico pretty soon. So I got this shirt for Mexico. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear it to Mexico, but it has these like, I don't know what you call it. It's like this type of thing, I don't know. It has these like flowery print and it's a really cute orangey color and it fit me well, so yeah. Oh, and the last thing was in a size medium, and this is in size small. This was $9, and it might have even been half off of that. Yeah, I think it was like $3.50. Oh, okay, so yeah, this was $3.50 actually, and then this was actually $1.50. So the last thing from Forever 21 is this just plain tank top, and this was the first thing I found when I went there, and it was literally 50 cents. So of course I got it, and it's just a nice layering top. Like, it's nothing special, but it's a really cute like yellowy mustardy color. The next place that we went was Hollister. Okay, so at Hollister I got a couple items. The first thing I found was this little like sweatshirt thingy. It has a hood on it and it's like sort of cropped. I don't know, it's super cute. And then the bottom isn't like perfectly hemmed, if that's what you call it. It has like, I don't even know what you call it. I think it's super cute, great for fall with the colors, and I don't know, it's really cute if I haven't said that enough. It was originally $34.95, but it was on sale for $17.47, so not like super duper cheap, but it's definitely a good deal. And then the last thing is this little like t-shirt type thing, and my mom said it kind of looked like a guy t-shirt, like a boy t-shirt, but we can definitely make it work. It was pretty decently cheap, and yeah, I think it is cute myself, but I don't know, it's just like a couple stripes, and then it has the little Hollister logo, the little detail thing right there. But depending on what I wear with it, I think it would be really cute. That was originally $17.99. It was on sale for $10.79, so pretty good. Then the next place we went after Hollister was I don't know if it was either American Eagle or Tilly's, but it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna go with American Eagle. They didn't have like any crazy sales or anything, neither did in any like other place that I went to, but we did go back into the clearance section and I found a few items. So this was the first shirt that I got, and I kept finding like shirts like this, and my mom was like, oh my gosh, Ashlyn, you need to stop just picking out this one type of shirt. But I think it's really cute and it reminds me of Brandy. It's this just like striped shirt. It's hard to tell a little bit, but it's like dark blue, then medium blue, and or like light blue, and then white. So yeah, and then it has, I don't know if you call this lattice, is that even right? But I love this look, and I don't think I would have got this shirt if it didn't have that. I love this shirt so much. It was $9.98, but it was originally like $24.95. So definitely pretty good deal. And then I got 2 pairs of shorts. So I first got these black shorts because I only have one other pair of black shorts, and they aren't that like comfortable. They're kind of uncomfortable and just a weird material. So I got these ones from American Eagle, and they have this design on them, and I think that's a super cute touch. And also these fit me really well, which is hard to find like pants that fit me well. So I was super like happy to find these. Okay, so these were originally $54.95. Definitely would not pay that much for these, but I got them on sale for $21.98. Not too bad, but not like the greatest deal ever, but they were really comfortable, and it's just like a staple in your clothing. I don't know. And then I got another pair of shorts, and these are just like regular shorts with rips in them, and I like the wash of them, and then I also like the rips because I think that makes it super cute. That's just the back. And then these were, okay, so these were originally $49.95, crazy again, and then I got them on sale for $19.98. They're in their American Eagle, and they're super cute and comfortable. So the next store we went to was Tilly's, and I believe this was our last store, and I found a lot of cute stuff there, so let's just get to it. So I got 2 pairs of shorts again, and these ones my mom found, and they're like different shorts. I don't have any shorts like this, but they have this like little pattern, striped pattern with the rips in them. I don't know what you would call it, but these shorts were super comfortable when I tried them on, so I thought I might get them. But they were originally at $24.99, and got them on sale for, okay, I think that I got them for, I have no clue how much they actually were, but they were less than $15, I know that. So pretty good. The other pair of shorts that I got were these red ones because my mom figured I need red shorts. Not sure why, but I could definitely pair them with different things, and I don't have red shorts, so pretty cool. Originally $24.99 also, and I don't know how to read this receipt, so it was also less than $15. I know that for sure. But they were $15.97 on clearance, and then there was extra 30% off. So if you really feel like doing the math, then there you go. Then the rest of things are like shirts. So this was like, I feel like really trendy right now. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but I've been seeing a lot of this type of stuff lately. So like, first of all, stripes are really in trend. Second, collar, and next is like these little zipper things. Like, I feel like this is just all around a trendy shirt, and it's really comfortable. So yeah, I just got this shirt. Not sure what I'm gonna pair it with yet, but I thought it was cute, so got that. Let me just let you know the size of this. I got this in a large, and it's like a good size because I tried on the extra small and it was tiny. So don't get the extra small if you are my size. Get the large because it fits really nicely. This was 30% off of $17.97, so whatever that is, that's how much it was. And then this is another thing that I got, and I don't have anything like this, so I thought I might as well get it. It's kind of hard to see what it is a little bit, but it's just this little thing. It's like a cool green color. I don't even know if I own anything like green like this. I don't think I do, but this was $9.97 and then 30% off of that. So then this, I don't know what I'm gonna wear with it yet, but in the try on you'll probably see what I wear with it. It's just this like cropped thing. It has this like kind of lattice. I don't even know if that's a style of it, but I like the colors of it and I like how it is, and I don't have anything like this. So I got that and it was $7.97 and then 30% off of that as well. That's all I got from Tilly's. Okay, and then the last place we went was a local like thrift store that we have, and it was not the mall obviously, but it's just a local thrift store. But it's not just like a regular thrift store, it's like a nicer thrift store. So like they don't just take everything, they like go through it, and I don't know, it's just a nice thrift store. I do like it a lot, so I'm just gonna show you what I got there. Okay, so the first thing I have is something I saw literally right when I walked in the store. So these are jeans from American Eagle, which was super nice because I actually almost got a pair of jeans from American Eagle, kind of, sort of. Wasn't really planning on it because they were also $70, but then I walked into the thrift store and got these jeans and they were $17.99. So definitely way better than $70, and they're American Eagle and they're comfortable, so that was definitely a good steal. The next thing I got, just kidding, this is my mom's. The next thing I got, I really like because it's definitely in the season right now, but this is from Hollister, but from the thrift store, but it's a size small, and it's just a sweater thing, and it has the open shoulder thing. And yeah, I just really like it. I like the color, I like the look of it, and it definitely just goes with those jeans that I just showed you. The last thing, I believe, is just this shirt. And this one is like from Forever 21, but again from the thrift store, and it's a size medium. It has a pocket. Yeah, nothing else really special about that. Okay, so that is all the clothes that I have to show you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.